Here are 5 sneaky BJJ moves that I love to do. Won't make you any friends of the mats, but they're super efficient. Stay tuned to the last one as well, because it's going to be a submission that's very embarrassing to tap to. You're going to love it. Okay. So, assuming we got to this position, we have a Kimura here. We want to finish the Kimura. So, we pass the leg. We sit here. We're going to lift and finish, but he holds it. He holds it. I cannot get it up there. So, to open the block, take the elbow, put in the ribs, and pull. That works 100% of the time. Elbow in, not on the side, but a little bit in the front. He doesn't like it now. Come in there, put pressure on till it opens, and then you can break the grip and you can finish. It also works if he holds his thigh there, and I cannot open it. As soon as his elbow comes in, you want to break it, and you turn. One more here from side control. When you want to get the arm under the neck, sometimes he's really pushing down, so the hand cannot go under. That can be a struggle. Instead of fighting with this here, take your chest and bounce it on top of his chest, like this. Often it opens, and you can get the hand in. If it doesn't open so much, it's still going to get very light ahead, because when you put pressure, this pops a little bit. So we're here, on top, I cannot get in, I do this. And I come in under. Okay, super efficient, not very nice, definitely works. I pass to side control. Imagine he's blocking my arm here, and I'm stuck. I will pin it. When I pin with the leg, I put it in this little hole under the leg here. Can you take a look? He doesn't suffer, but he's blocked. If you want to make it worse and make sure he doesn't move, put your thigh to the outside. So foot in and fall down here. Just zoom on Pablo's face. Here, everything is good. Here, I change, and it changes the facial expression.
Very nice.
Okay. From close guard, if he's blocking my hips or any move I want to do, I want to open here. He doesn't let me. Any move you want to do, before you do it, stretch your leg and squeeze his hips, so I get a little surprise. So I block here, it's tight, I cannot do this, and I catch, and I pull. Okay? You can zoom on Pablo's face one more time. When this comes in, you can see that it's tight. So if I want to push the arm out, or in, or lift, or the head, if I can reach the head, I squeeze first, down, and pull. But it's like 1 second. Whoop, pop, whoop. Okay. So for the last position, we start in side control. I have head control here. I block the bicep and put pressure on the face here. So the submission is going to be like an Ezekiel choke, where you come over and you finish like this. But instead, we're going to do it without our hands. So when everything is blocked up, I turn his head with my face, and I put my chin right into his jaw muscle. Then I push the shoulder forward and push my chin down and get this squeeze there to get a very nasty tap. Most people are super embarrassing to tapping from this, but they will tap within a second or two. Try it and let me know how it goes.